Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send crypto from Atomic Wallet to Binance. So first thing you need to do is open up your Atomic Wallet and then go to Wallet section and then select the crypto currency you want to send. So I'm going to send my Bitcoin. So just click on that and then from here simply click on this send button. After this, just go to your Binance app or website and then from here go to assets option and then overview, and from here simply click on this deposit button. After this, simply select this deposit crypto option and then you need to verify to deposit crypto in Binance. So I haven't verified yet, so what you need to do is simply verify your profile and then simply select the coin from here. In our case this is BTC. Click on that and then select the network type, and after that you will get your deposit address. So just copy that deposit address and then paste the deposit address on here and enter the amount and then click on this send button. So that's how you can send crypto from Atomic Wallet to Binance. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.